Hello, fourth grade. Just Miss Burrs here, reading through the writing lesson for today, April 24th. So, starting on, I believe this is like slide 3, this is just a recap of what we've done this week so far to catch you up for our next step. So, what we've done is step 1, we read and analyzed a writing prompt, and we found clue words to tell us what our topic is. It was the history of Route 66 and how Dust Bowl refugees used the route. And those clue words also told us the type of writing. It wasn't an essay, it's not a letter, it's not a journal entry. It told us to write a news report. And then we needed to bring into the forefront of our mind what are the features of a news report so we know what to build in our writing. So that was step 2. We looked at a mentor news report, like an example, and we analyzed the organization and what it had in it so we know to do the same thing in our news report. And then step 3, we practice locating and annotating useful facts, details, and quotations from our sources. That's what we've done. This is where we are at today. We are ready to plan. So when I think of a news report, I notice that the first thing reported is who was involved, what is going on, where this is taking place, why this happened, or some kind of why is being answered, and how this happened. And then my topics are the history of Route 66 and how refugees used Route 66. I feel that this information could be in the body of my report. And then at the end of my news report, I wanted to kind of give a conclusion. So I want to let the reader know the current status of the condition of my topic. Where does the past or the history of Route 66 meet the present? Where it's no longer the past, it's now the current state of it. Or are refugees still using Route 66? Or are other people still using Route 66? So I feel like that would be the ending paragraph of my news report. So thinking about the information I have to use to write my news report, I believe boxes, like a beginning, middle, end, like we've used with a narrative, I think 3 boxes would help me plan and organize and sort all of this information I have for a news report. Here are 3 boxes on the right side of your screen, and I labeled it my plan. So in the first box, we want to orientate our reader, answer those questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how, if there's a how. And then in the middle, I wanted to actually discuss the topics. So the history of Route 66 and how refugees use Route 66. And I give an example if you want to read through how I took the actual text and wrote it as notes. And then in my third box, I would give some kind of conclusion, wrap it up, okay? And you can read through those notes. All right, good luck on the grammar quiz. And if you would like, you can listen to me read through the articles for science. See you in class.